The Sani-Sponge is designed for surface monitoring. A sterility certificate is available for download on our website, and each bag has a unique identifier and a lot number that ensure full product traceability. Identify the bag. Open the bag, remove any excess liquid, and take out the sponge without touching the inside of the bag. Using our durable sponge, sample the desired surface with crosswise movements. Next, place the Sani-Sponge back into its bag and close it. It is airtight and ready for transport and laboratory analysis. The Sani-Sponge is easy to use and perfectly suited for surface sampling. Contact our team to learn more about the Sani-Sponge.